Let's make some slime. First, let's get our clay, expired marshmallow, and our foam soap. First, let's put some foam soap there. And let's mix this clay.
Daddy, tignan mo, meron akong sinan sa'yo. Baka pwede mo tignan. Ha?
Let's just turning into slime.
Sa messenger.
There. Like slime already. And let's put the expired marshmallow. Okay, we're done. Bye.